everyone, today I will be doing a review / unboxing on a product that I think I haven't tried it out yet, but I've heard many good things about. It is the RS3 2020 magnet cube. So it's only $13 if you want the accessories, and for it's interesting, but it's only $13 if you want the accessories, but it's also only $9 if you don't want the accessories. So yeah, you can get $9 or $9 or $13. So it's a pretty good cube. I got the $13 one. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It got here last night, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. Let me open this up. How do I open this darn thing? I'm not used to opening packages. Oh, there it goes. Ha ha ha! Ooh, it works, kind of. I don't know. I gotta take this off. Shoot. There it goes. Okay, now I think I can just rip it. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. I'm forced on a building. Okay, so, ooh, nice packaging. Nice packaging. So I got it out of the box. Has pretty good packaging. And I will put this out of the way behind me. And also, I'm going to go ahead and try to open all this packaging. Whoa. Quite a bit of packaging. It's a stickerless cube, by the way, and it's a 3x3. I don't know if I already said that. I have already solved the 2x2 many times. My high score of solving is about 30 seconds. I can speed cube fairly well. Some people can solve it in 1, so I can't say that I'm awesome at it, but I am getting I can already solve the 2x2, but this is a 3x3, so I'm going to check this out. I've never solved a 3x3, actually. I can solve a 2x2, but I want to get up to solving a 3x3, and there's supposed to be instructions in here, so we'll see. Okay, here we go. Looks pretty good. This is pretty good packaging. The logo, I'm pretty sure it's Japanese or something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open. It's just a flap. Pretty good packaging. Let's take this flap down and let's see if we can get this thing out. Okay, here is the cube itself. Here's the accessories. I'll move this out of the way. Move all this out of the way. This is a stickerless cube. Looks pretty darn good. And you're supposed to be able to take the thing off with the logo, take the middle piece off that has the logo on it, and adjust how hard it is to turn. So I'm going to go ahead and try to open this up. I hope you guys can see it well. It's the Southern Gamer here, by the way. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Liking and subscribing. Liking makes the video get recommended to others, so more subscribers can come. And subscribing gets me more subscribers, and it just makes it easier to do YouTube, and it makes me feel a lot better about doing YouTube. So far I have 11 subscribers last time I checked, so hopefully it's pretty good. And here is the cube itself. Whoa, that is so good. That is not bad. That turns well. Honestly, it turns very well. Turns pretty well. And then there's a stand for it right here. It's very sensitive. I might want to mess with how hard it is to turn and stuff. So that is the cube. Can they see it well? Good. That's the cube. The MoYu Rs3 2020. it turns pretty well. Sorry about that. That's my dog. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up. Well, it's already ripped. Okay. That's my fault, though. It's not MoYu's fault. Oh, Daisy, no, ma'am. Sorry about that, guys. That's my dog. I know, I got this. Oh boy, it says there's an instruction manual inside on how to solve it. Oh, okay, so here's the little screw thing. Don't know what these are for, but you're supposed to be able to take this off somehow. I don't know how. How do you take the little cap off? Oh, there it is. You know what? I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to force it right now. I'm going to read the instruction manual. We'll go into a time lapse right here. And I'm going to read the instruction manual, see how to get everything working. And yeah, I'm just going to read it. And yeah, hope you like the montage. Hope you like the music. Hope you like everything in life. Yeah, fun. But yeah, guys, I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to read the instruction manual, and then I will be good to go. So we're going to go into a time lapse here. Yeah, so time lapse. Okay, everybody, well, I already scrambled it up a bit. I meant to do something, but I'm just going to go ahead and scramble it. It turns pretty well. I found out how to adjust the tightness. You can use this little tool and go like and turn it by putting this in the little slots. There's some slots. And then you can go, like, turn it and adjust the tightness. I think I like the tightness like this. And you can also use the screwdriver thing. So I'm going to mix it up for a while. Just get the feel of the cube in. This is, I think, by the way, I think this is the cube that got the world record. It's the person that got the world record for solving 3x3 used this cube. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It can be, it's this cube, honestly, I really like it. The only thing is that the turns are a bit, like, they're not super consistent. So when you're, like, turning it, like, that could happen when you're just trying to solve it fast. So I know that's fine, but for speed cubers, that must be kind of annoying. I don't know how he did that, because it's just hard to turn, and then I'm going to put the cap back on. It's just kind of tough, because you got to turn it and you don't want to lose your spot and have to find your spot again in the middle of a speed solve. So yeah, guys, I really like the turning. The only thing is it sometimes overdoes it. So it's good for speed cubing only if you have very precise fingers. Like, I could go like that and just barely catch that and it would turn. So you can turn it very fast, like compared to this. Can turn this very fast. Like, look at the difference, ready? And then this this thing feels horrible compared to this. But I don't know what brand that is. I got it for Christmas one year, so this is a pretty, I like this cube a lot though. It looks awesome. It feels awesome, and it's stickerless, and it's just flat out good. It's good quality. It's good for speed cubing. You can turn it very fast. Like, compared to this, you can only turn it like that fast. Like this fast. But on here you can go. Like, it turns fast. It doesn't take a while to turn. And it has magnets. And I like this cube a lot. It looks really good. And okay, guys, so I wasn't able to solve it. I was trying to figure out how to solve it just real quick, but I couldn't figure out how to solve it. So this is about the end of the video. Hope you like the video. This is a great cube. You can turn it really fast. And yeah, I changed camera views. And yeah, look how fast you can turn it. This is a literal speed cubing cube. Yeah, I don't know how to solve it, but yeah, it's meant for speed cubing. So, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, everyone, Southern Gamer here, and peace.